All right. Good morning, boys and girls. I am coming to you from my house. I hope you are doing well in your time off from school, but we are still learning. What I want to show you in this video is you should have already watched the how to draw the fish tutorial video that was posted either on Dojo or Google Classroom. And what I'm going to show you is a little bit about how to draw the background. Okay, so whenever we are working in art, the main part about what we're drawing is always called the subject, and then everything else that's in here is the background. So this would be the subject, and all of this, the rest of this would be the background. Okay, now we have done a bit with some sea creatures and fish, and starfish and other kinds of things. So this is a good way for you to get started. So once you have your fish drawn, then it is time to work on the background. But before we get there, I know that on my fish, I want to give him some more scales. So I'm just going to do that with a backward C, backward C, backward C. And then I'm going to connect them with more backward C, backward C, backward C. Okay, and that's just going to make more scales. And I just like more scales on my fish. You certainly don't have to. If you want to, you can. That's up to you. So let's look at our background here and use our imagination. Everybody's background is going to look different because everybody is different. And you can use your imagination to put in details in the background. So I think that my fish is swimming. There must be a sandy bottom to where he's swimming. So I'm just going to put some sand in the bottom. And you know what? I think that my fish, I think there's probably some seaweed. So seaweed is quite easy actually. Watch this. So we just do a squiggly line. And then at the top, we're going to do another squiggly line, but we connect at the top. We start at the same spot and follow the same squiggly line, but when we get to the bottom, it's going to be a little bit wider. So start at the top, together, same squiggly line, but a little bit wider. See how it's wider at the bottom than it is at the top. And let's do another seaweed. I'll do another one little right here. Squiggly line. Start at the top, same spot, follow the squiggly line, and slowly get wider. So like this, maybe. Okay? And let's see. You know what? I think this fish needs a friend. So I am going to make a different kind of fish. Maybe you remember this fish. We did this one in school. Basic shape, circle. Basic shape, triangle. Basic shape, triangle, 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 triangle. Lots of triangles. And then we can give him a little eye. And maybe he's a happy fish with a smile on. But he needs a little friend. And he'll have some bubbles too. Again, your background doesn't have to be the same as mine. It can be if you want it to be. Use your imagination. Let's see. You know what? I think I need a starfish. And I think he's kind of hanging out somewhere down here. Starfish can be easy. I'm just going to do basic shape circle. And then use some triangles. Triangle. 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 And triangle. So I'm going to put a little starfish down there. And you know what? He needs a friend too. So I'm going to do a seashell. Seashell is actually very easy too. Watch this. So let's do, it's not a backward C. It's kind of like a tilted C. C, upside down C, upside down C. You can do 3 of them. Connect them together. Then all you need is a straight line down, straight line down. Connect the bottom. And then all we need really is a few lines down. And we have a seashell. Great. So that's what's going on. You know what? I think my sand needs to look a little more sandy. So I'm going to do some dots. Now I'm using markers, so it's easy for you to see. You can use pencil when you draw. Remember to draw lightly so that if you need to erase it will be easy to erase. Let's see what else I can put in here. I don't know. I kind of like my drawing just the way it is. You know what? Maybe there is a fish hook coming down. Maybe somebody is fishing, so I'm going to put a line here. There's a fishing line coming down. Stay away, little fishies. You don't want to get caught. And I'm just going to put, let's see. I'm going to put a fish hook right there. I don't know. Maybe there's somebody who is fishing and is trying to catch them. But these guys aren't going to get caught. They're just happy. They're swimming around and they're ignoring the fish hook. They're not paying any attention. So really, boys and girls, you can imagine whatever you want to do in your background after you have finished drawing the subject. Watch the video a few times so you can learn how to draw the subject. And then check out this. I give you examples on how to do the background. You know what? You can copy my background if you wish. You certainly don't have to. Everybody is a different person and has their own imagination. So you can draw whatever you like to fill up your background. All right, happy drawing.